I like pizza, I like tea. I play football after 3. You like music, you like games. Everyone likes different things. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Do you play football? Yes, I do. Tell me now, what about you? He likes pizza, she likes cake. They like games, they love to play. Different people, different tastes. English questions set the pace. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like dancing? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Does he like pizza? Yes, he does. He does. Does she like music? Yes, she does. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Ask a question, that's the